So I already cut the collar and I'm just going to be interfacing it now, and I'm the interfacing on it. So I'd also interface the under collar. Why do I keep calling this under collar? It's called collar stand, guys. So I'm going to I'm going to also interface the collar and the collar stand, the the two pieces of the collar stand. So I've successfully sewed the sides of the main collar, and I'm just going to be pressing it real good. I have sewn the two sides of the main collar together, so I'm just going to be giving it a good hard press. I have sewn the under collar to the main collar on one side, so I'm also going to press it. When sewing a collar, like, pressing has to be your best friend. Like, every single step that you're taking, you just have to press, because that will greatly impact how your collar comes out eventually. Now I'm just going to pin the collar to the neckline. Step by step, you want to take this because this is going to be a gradual process. So you're going to pin it round from the center out to one side of the neck, from center back straight to the center, from center back in another direction to the center front. Now, after you successfully pinned it round, take that to your machine and sew. I successfully fixed my collar. Now this is how it's looking. Now the final thing for us to do is to fix the sleeves and then hem the bottom of the shirt. There are some adjustments I'm just trying to make to the sleeve here, because the sleeve, like I told you, is going to be a short sleeve because my client doesn't really like long sleeves, and it's going to be like a kind of like roll up sleeve, but I'm going to sew it down because she won't be able to like roll it down. It's going to be like rolled up. I don't know what kind of sleeve you are going to be making with your shirt, but you can just like watch my process, because I don't know how to explain it, but just see how I'm folding it, and I'm going to sew it down that way. So now I'm going to attach the sleeve to the shirt, and I'm just going to make sure that the measurement on the sleeve cap and the arm side is the same thing as the sleeve round. So that's just what I'm trying to do here. So I have successfully fixed the sleeves to the shirt, and now the shirt is complete. All that is left will be to get the buttonholes, and I already marked the points that I want the buttonholes to be, and there's like a 3-inch gap between one button to the next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.